This is a factory cleaning machinery. You see, we have 3 gates. The first gate is for to put some sample of twin shaft concrete mixer. The second gate for some sample of platinum concrete mixer, and the second gate for manufacturing. This is a true manufacturing workshop. Let's see the second workshop. This is of a platinum concrete mixer. You see, this district for some spare parts, some motor. You see, so many landing plates. Motor. It's charging system. Watching door. This is a bigger one.